Babes, so I am back with a quick eye tutorial for you guys. It's super late at night. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I wanted to get on here and film a quick eye tutorial for you guys. I've had this makeup on literally all day because I've been filming, but I still wanted to make sure I wrapped the night up with another video. So I'm showing you how to incorporate a pop of color on your eyes in case you guys are not really fans of color, but you kind of want to start incorporating color slowly but surely. All you have to do is pop some shadow in your inner corner, even incorporate it in your lipstick. And yeah, you have this nice orange eyeshadow pop of color. This is a cut crease. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm literally in shambles right now. As Raven would say, my ring light is broken. It keeps coming down. It's just a hot mess, but I'm here. Okay, I am filming for you guys. So if you guys want to see this video, of course, just keep on watching. Make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel before you go. That's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey babes, so starting off, I'm going to show you how to get these beautiful eyes, and I'm taking my Morphe 350 palette, and I haven't used that palette in so long and I really love it, so I'm going to start using it more. So I'm just taking the shade like this orangey shade as my transition, and I'm going to blend it out really nicely. Every time I pack color on, I like to take another fluffy blending brush and blend everything out. And I am sitting outside, so if you hear nature, I do apologize. I've literally had this makeup on all day, so I am getting the nasty gunk out of my eyes. So I went ahead and went in with a darker orange, like a brick orange red color, and I'm using that to deepen my crease before I cut it. Now just taking concealer. I think I use LA Girl Pro Concealer, but you can use any concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. If you want to know how I do this, then watch my previous video. It will be linked in the description box. Usually I do like a half cut crease or just like a circular shaped cut crease, but I actually went ahead and dragged this one all the way out, and I haven't done this in a while, but it came out cute. I really liked it. You just have to really take your time, and I do use my natural crease, like I follow my natural crease to get the shape that I'm looking for, and that's just the easiest thing for me to do. So I don't know if I showed this on camera or not, but I am setting my eyes with a translucent powder. Well, actually, I think I used a skin tone eyeshadow that was in this palette. This is the Milani Most Love Mattes, I believe, and I'm just using that to kind of set it before I go in with my shadow. So I wanted to do an orange look, but I wasn't really sure what kind of look. So I went ahead and, girl, it was a bug that just tried to get on me. But anyways, I went ahead and set it, and then I went in with like a rose gold shade. I don't know, I think it just fit perfectly. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with the e.l.f. matte liquid black liner. And yeah, you just did the same thing for both sides. I think it came out super cute, and I actually like this. Like, I feel like it matched better than when I do my like half cut creases or whatever. And yeah, it was super cute. So I'm just lining my eyes per usual. Again, y'all, don't mind my foundation. I've had this makeup on since like, I don't know, early in the day. So I just wanted to make sure I get these videos up for you guys. So anyways, I'm taking a orange copper glitter. This is just like a loose, actually this is from MAC, I believe. It's a loose glitter, and I'm just lining my entire crease with this. And that was another way for me to incorporate color. I really like putting glitter in my crease. And then, girl, I'm just gonna take some orange eyeshadow and pop that right in my inner tear duct, and it just made a whole difference in the look, and I thought it was super cute. I don't know where these lashes are from. They're super old. I need to get some new lashes. Don't judge me. But yeah, I'm about to do the bottom lash line. Just basically do the same colors that I did in my crease. I'm telling you, adding this little pop of color, adding a little bit of color to your looks without overdoing it, it just makes such a big difference, especially for those who don't really like color like me. Well, I like color now, but before I didn't. So this is like the perfect way to incorporate color. So I'm just taking for my lips, I'm just taking a brown pencil like I always do. I think brown pencils pretty much go good with everything. And I'm going to line my lips and do my lips and put my lip product on. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.